O yan mga idol, pag-usapan naman natin ngayon ang about sa resume. What are the three resume format types? Okay? The three most common resume formats are chronological, functional, and combination. When deciding which resume format you should use, consider your professional history in the role you're applying for. Okay? Tungo na tayo mga idol sa chronological. A reverse chronological resume is a format focused on relevant work experience. It is called reverse chronological because it lists your most recent job first. All other jobs are then listed from most recent to least recent. Okay? Pangalawa mga idol, ito yung functional. Ang functional naman ay functional resume format is a type of resume that focuses more on skills rather than work experience. Okay? Ulit, ang functional resume format is a type of resume that focuses more on skills rather than work experiences. You can use a functional resume if you're a recent graduate with little work experience or if you're switching careers. Combination. Combination resume aka hybrid resume combines two traditional resume formats. It's a mix of the reverse chronological resume and the functional resume format. As in, it places equal emphasis both on your skills and work experience. Okay? Tungo na tayo sa which resume format is best. Okay? Which resume format is best? The reverse chronological resume is widely regarded as the best resume format for job seekers who have years of consistent experience in the workforce. Typically, job seekers who use this format will have been working in the same industry for several years with no serious gaps in that employment history. Okay? What is the difference between chronological order and reverse chronological order? The chronological order is the old date event comes first, then the new date event comes last in the list. Samantalang, ang reverse of chronological order is the new date open close event comes first, then the old date open close event comes last in the list. Okay? What is the reverse chronological date format? With this resume format, you list your relevant work experience in reverse chronological order, beginning with your most recent positions and proceeding backwards. For each job, you provide dates, location, and names of your employer, and succinctly outline your key responsibilities and achievements. How to use reverse chronology? It's a way of telling a story in which the ending is presented first and the story is narrated backward, starting at the end and working its way up to the beginning. This can be done in the novel, play, or other literary forms. What is the correct format to write a resume? Okay? Ito na tayo mga idol. What is the correct format to write a resume? Yan, ulitin ko lang. What is the correct format to write a resume? Resume format tips. Number 1, siguraduhin natin, be sure lang na 1 page ang resume natin. Pangalawa, be concise, giving a lot of information clearly in a few words. Brief but comprehensive. Complete. Open close parenthesis. Complete dapat. Number 3, keep font size to 10, 11, or 12 points only and set margins to no less than 0.5 inch all around. Number 4, do not use the word I or other first person pronouns. Number 5, use past tense in describing past positions and use present tense for your current positions. Okay? What to include in a reverse chronological resume? Okay, ulitin natin. What to include in a reverse chronological resume? Siyempre, number 1, contact information. Your name, phone number, location, and email address. In some cases, you can include useful links such as LinkedIn or GitHub profile. May sample tayo mamaya na resume. Pakita ko sa inyo. Number 2, resume summary or objectives. A brief 2 to 4 sentence summary of your work experience or your objectives for applying for a given position. Number 3, professional title. Your title, this should mirror the exact position you're applying for. Ulitin ko, I repeat, your title, this should mirror the exact position you're applying for. Number 4. Okay? Number 4, works experience. Your works experience is in reverse chronological order when possible. Talk about achievements over responsibilities. Gets? Number 5, skills section. Skills relevant to the position you're applying for. Number 6, education. Your educational history, pro tip. Okay? Pro tip. If you have a BA, feel free to skip your high school education. Number 7, optional sections. Sections like volunteering projects, portfolio, hobbies, etc. Okay? Ito po yung sample natin ng resume. Sample po natin si Jonathan. Yan. Okay? Kung mapapansin natin, sa work experience ni Jonathan, yan, ginamit niya ang reverse chronological resume. September 2016 up to present. Okay, sa web developer niya. And then yung kasunod sa virtual solution naman sa yung nauna sa web developers Precious Technology ko, September 2016 up to present. And then yung kasunod, yung luma na niyang or dati niyang pinasukan na company sa Virtual Solutions International Company. Yan. April 2012 until August 2016. Then, dito sa gilid, yan. Dito sa gilid niya, mapapansin natin, yan, dito na nakalagay yung kanyang Yan, yung sabi ko yung link linkedin.com, yan, yung github.com, yan, tapos technical skills niya, HTML5, wow, CSS3, JavaScript, iQuery, wow, okay. Mga idol, maraming salamat po sa panunood. Sana po marami kayong natutunan at abangan niyo po ang susunod ko pong upload. Maraming salamat. Please subscribe.